guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So today is my chumpy day. I'm supposed to oil my hair today. I do this twice in every week, and usually I use a lot of coconut oil or olive oil. I mix 2-3 oils and then I apply it. But Wow Skincare had sent me a few of their products, and this is one of it. So this is the 10-in-1 Miracle Hair Oil, and they say it has a lot of benefits. And I thought, why don't I try this, because I've been using a lot of coconut oil and I want to change it. I want to use something new. So let's see what all they have. So they say that they have 10 hair benefits if you use this, and it's cruelty free, and it is 100% vegetarian. It doesn't have any alcohol, so it's very good like that. Let's see how to use it. Take out a small quantity and gently massage onto your scalp. Leave it for at least half an hour and preferably overnight, and then you shampoo it. So I think I will just wait for like half an hour because I'm supposed to go out. Wow, it comes in a nice bottle like this. Very fancy. Okay, so let me try this now. I'm going to take a very small quantity on my palm. I'm going to massage it on my scalp. It has a really strong smell. I don't know what this is. Mostly like wicks. If you apply wicks, this is something like that. Because I have really long hair. I'm going to gently massage it. So once I've done that, so guys, I've applied it. I'm going to let it stay for about 30 minutes. And this oil is not very greasy. It's much better than coconut oil. The feel of this oil is not that bad. So some people who hate applying oil and who are looking for like a mild oil, then I think this is good, and it has a lot of benefits. So I think you should try it. I think I'm going to go take a nap and then rinse my hair. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys try this product. Let me know if you liked it, and I will see you soon, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.